Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna see Nasdaq and SPX500. Of course, what happened today? So as I mentioned, we have top potentially here. We might see today a one more high, and here we go. We saw it, of course, and we started to drop down. 1.618 was taken, and potentially we're looking here for a wave 4 downward, so we gotta be careful. It can be, of course, a very fast wave 4, and then I don't know if the interest rate is gonna, of course, pump it again toward the upside for a wave 5. So we're gonna see, of course, to be watched today, and of course we have a several news coming, of course, the next days, guys. So it's very interesting what's gonna happen, of course, in this area. And of course, this wave 3 here is very, very nice to see it just straight, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is finished around the 1.618 perfectly. And then, okay, we start to see some weakness in 5 waves here, and we start to drop down. All right, so basically the wave 4 has to unfold. I think that the target might be the following here as a wave 4 in an impulse. You would like to see, of course, this blue box as a next area between the 0.23 fib and the 0.38 fib. So 25k 800 very likely, of course, to come back to this area. And I think it might be, of course, very fast during the 3 hours, because if we gonna see a rate cut probability, of course, here that you will move for higher, but be careful. Nothing is, of course, for sure. With the reaction of the market during the news, especially the rate decision, are very unpredictable. So be careful, trade safe, guys. And of course, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So for the US 500 or SPX 500 here, we are looking as well for this wave 3. But basically, the wave 3, of course, we did not reach yet the uncommon target. I don't know why, but still looking like very extended wave 3. I mean, looks very sharp. But yeah, as a 1, 2, 3 is not hit yet, of course, which still can be, of course, still can be. We're gonna see what's gonna happen in the news, but I believe that this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, this wave 5 is start to be weird, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then even higher. So something as ending diagonal is definitely unfolding here, but wave 4 not interfering. So this is your wave 4. Okay. This is your wave 4, and I believe this is the ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probability still there, of course, to get one more high here. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so yep, this is how the impulse has unfolded. I think one more high. Yeah, it can be very likely, but be careful. I'm not interested, of course. I'm just saying that it might still get one more high, but be careful with it. It might drop down, of course, as well for the SPX here. The target for the wave 4 has to be updated, of course, taken from there. So we're looking for the 6,855 at 0.23 fib level. All right, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. ABC wave 4. That was it for the Nasdaq and SPX. For the indexes, of course, trade safe. Don't forget the interest rate. See you in the next one. Bye bye.